when someone tries to enter, we can hear a buzzing sound and we would get alert, and when they are gone, it will be stop again automatically. Okay? Okay? If someone is entering, we can hear a buzzing sound, else it will stop automatically. Does someone of you want to try? Got it? आप शायद ये मूवीज में देखे होंगे. Okay? You might have watched this in the movies के भाई कोई एंटर हो रहे हैं और लेजर लाइट को टच करते ही सायरन बजना शुरू. तो वो चीज